Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Linux distros directly in your browser. Yes, you heard that right, you can actually test different Linux distributions online without installing anything on your system. If you've been thinking about trying Linux but don't want to install it right away, this video is perfect for you. I'll show you how to run Linux right in your browser, where you can try out more than 50 different distros and see which one suits your needs best. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. Alright, first open your browser and in the URL address bar, type distroseer.com. This website lets you try more than 50 different Linux distros directly in your browser, so you can test an operating system without installing anything on your system. It includes many popular distros like Fedora, Arch Linux, and Linux Mint. For example, if you want to try Linux Mint, just click on the Linux Mint icon. A new page will open. Here you'll see different versions available, and you can even run older versions if you want to test those. That's what makes this site really cool and useful. Now, click on the version you want to try. You might see a small queue. In my case, there are 4 users ahead of me, and the estimated wait time is about 1 minute. Just check Verify your human box and click the Start Linux Mint button. After waiting a few moments, you'll see a Continue button, click on it, and Linux Mint will start loading right in your browser, just like a real Linux environment that you would normally install on your system. After a few seconds, the Linux distro will load live right inside your browser, and you can start testing it straight away. It works just like a real Linux system. You can explore the desktop, open apps, and try things out as if it were installed on your computer. This is perfect if you want to check a Linux distro before actually installing it on your system. The performance is surprisingly smooth with very little lag, but keep in mind that since it's running in a browser, it will use a fair amount of memory. Also, this is a live environment, so anything you do here won't be saved. Once you close the page, everything resets, just like a live Linux session used only for testing. So that's how you can run and test Linux directly in your browser without installing anything. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.